Today we're going to be doing another fun DIY for you all, and so we're going to basically be making DIY AirPods. Hey guys, hey YouTube, hey tubers. Today we're going to be doing another DIY and we're going to be making our own AirPods. Now I know what you're thinking, how? But you're wrong, this is not clickbait, this is for real. So enough talking, let's get right in this. Okay, you're going to get your supplies, and the only things you're going to need are a pair of headphones that you don't really like anymore, or you do like and you're ready to upgrade them, and then a pair of scissors and a knife. Now it's important you have both of these for these to work correctly. So get a good pair of scissors and a knife and let's begin. So we have our headphones, and this is a very important part. You're gonna want the right headphone here. As you can see by the indicated R, that stands for right headphone. And now for the right one, you're gonna wanna use the knife. So you're gonna take your knife, cut right below the headphones. All right, we're back. I forgot that you're definitely gonna need a cutting board. All right, so that's step one. So this is almost the basis for our first AirPod. There's a few more steps, but you can set that to the side for now. Now you're going to take the L. You can't really tell these are L, but most of them will have an L on the headphones. You're gonna take the left headphone, and this one you're going to use your scissors to cut. We're going to cut as close as you can to the pod.
Use the cutting board.
Oh, sorry. The reason we kept the mic is because the newer AirPods have them in the pod, but the older ones, obviously, you have to keep that if you want to talk to anyone. But feel free to cut off the mic if you don't want to do any talking and only listening. All right, so now we're going to model and test out the new AirPods. This is basically it. There's like a few other things you have to do to get them to work, but that'll be in the next clip. So it's really easy to start using your new AirPods. You put them in your ear like so, and then you pair the right one, the one with the microphone, by doing what we're demonstrating in the video. Give it a few slaps on your phone and...
Shut up!
And that's all, and then your new AirPods are ready to go. So unlock your phone and go to the AirPod pairing screen, give it a few taps, and yeah. So we're gonna test it out with something really patriotic today. As you can listen here, they're working.
Bust down, Tatiana.
And as you can hear, the quality is like super good. You can also listen to your new AirPods while you're cooking and dancing to the music. It's really great. And you can also answer calls with them. As you can see here, you give the mic a few clicks and you are hands-free calling. Really awesome, super cool. And maybe if you're really sad and you need a drink or two, don't worry, those AirPods will not fall out. Listen to those sad tunes, all you need. So yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in to my DIY AirPods tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me leave a comment. Let me know what song you guys are listening to with your new AirPods. See you next time. That was really rough.
That was perfect. I thought you were perfect.
I know I am.
I think you're perfect.